Hello everyone, my name is Fardaw Sahel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how we can create self-extracting with WinRAR. So here I have this PDF. So there's two methods that you can create this self-extracting. First, you can right click and here with WinRAR you have to click on add to archive. When we want to add this to archive, so here we under archiving options we have this create sfx archive, so we have to select this. So this is going to be the first method and I'm going to hit OK. So here I have this. Now if I want to double click at this, so here we have this self-extracting and you can browse or you can just click on extract. So here I have the same file, so I'm going to click on not all because I don't want to replace this. So the second method, I'm going to right click. You can add to archive this PDF. After you're going to add this to this archive, now you need to open this archive. So on the top here we have this sfx. So you want to convert archive to self-extracting, so you have to click at that. So here we have different options under the tabs for the archive, this self-extracting. We have this info, we have options. Under option we have this protect archive and also create recovery volumes, lock archive. You can disable archive modification, and also we have this original archive name and time. So here we have this comment and also we have this sfx. So with sfx tab here we have the select comment for sfx. So you can select do not change sfx module, and here we have this add new sfx module. We have this one. So if you want to change some option for sfx, so you have to click here. So when you click at that, so we have this path to extract. You can add this a path for the extraction. So we have this setup. You want to run any setup after extraction and you want to run before extraction. And also here we have this modes. You can change the temporary mode and also silent mode. So under advanced tab we have this delete file to delete in the destination folder. You can add a shortcut. And also here we have this license. You can add the title of license of window. You can add the license text here. So under the setup, let me do not forget one more thing. If you want to run any app, so it's going to be the place you want to run after extraction. You want to run anything and you can run before extraction as well, because the automatic or self extraction, there is going to be the extension of .exe. So it's just act like an app. So that's why now if I hit OK, so there's already one sfx. So now I'm going to click yes to all. Now as you can see, the format for the self extraction is .exe, which you can just click at that to run this. So along with that, you can run any app before extraction and after extraction. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned how to add the self extraction with WinRAR for your files and folder. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.